Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, I would like to discuss the material about expression and feelings. First, I want to ask you some question. Do you know what expression is?
Yes.
What is that? Can you define it?
Expression is something that you show about what you feel.
That's it?
Iya.
Is there any different definition?
Ya kalau feeling tidak bisa diekspresikan kayaknya. Tapi kalau ekspresi itu contohnya tertawa ya ada bukti dia tertawa gitu.
Yeah. Okay, before we get into the material, I want you guys to watch some video.
Hey, sweetie. Sorry I got home so late. I got to take some after work. It's such a beautiful day outside. You should get some sunshine. So, why don't you stop playing and open the present I got for you? Hello? Oh, yes, sir. I don't know why you didn't get the papers. Okay.
Papi.
She's gotta be kidding me. Get lost.
Ini punya. Sangat tidak terduga. Oke, saling. Iya, ternyata
Bisa gini. Okay. So, what do you guys learn about this video? Besides plot twist.
don't judge people by the cover.
That's not people.
A person. A person.
Is there anything else?
Apa? Disgusting.
Iya, expression of disgusting.
Dislike expression.
Oh. The boys dislike at first, but liking the dog at the end. He realized that
Yeah.
this is good. What does the expression shown in this video from the boys?
Dislike.
Okay, dislike. Huh?
Ignoring.
Ignoring. Okay. Happy. Okay. Is there anything else?
Annoying.
Yeah. Okay. Annoying. Okay. What the boys did at this video is called an expression, which today we're gonna talk about. Expression is the act of saying what you think or showing how you feel using word or action. Like shown in that video, that the boys look disgusted, look annoyed, but that is how he convey their emotions. So, what the difference between expression and feelings? Can someone give the difference?
Maybe for feelings we don't have to say, or we don't have to say about what we feel.
What do you feel?
Okay, anything else? Kurang tepat.
Soalnya masih baby.
Oke, ada lagi? Apa perbedaannya ekspresi sama feelings?
Kalau feelings itu apa yang dirasakan, kalau ekspresi itu mengungkapkan apa yang dirasakan.
Ekspresi juga apa yang dirasakan?
Nah kan, the act, no action.
Feeling sama expression sama-sama bisa menggunakan action.
Tapi kalau punya rasa tapi nggak tanpa
Iya.
nggak bisa diungkapkan. Kalau misalkan ada feelings,
Ya.
tapi tidak bisa ekspresi,
Ya.
jadi feelings itu tidak bisa
Oh,
tersampaikan.
itu bukan itu. Kalau itu facial expression ya, ekspresi yang di luar.
Iya,
maksudnya.
sama aja.
Berarti
Expression itu gak cuma yang kelihatan apa luar, tapi yang kita apa?
Iya.
Beritahukan ke orang lain itu juga bukan ekspresi. Jadi apa bedanya sama feelings?
ya ada beda.
Beneran?
Iya loh.
Apa dong Pak?
Oke. Jadi bedanya adalah feelings are subjective, so contain phenomenal experiences. Jadi feelings itu lebih ke personal experiences. Jadi misalnya kalian di dalam satu ruangan ada 5 orang, ketika kalian ingin menyampaikan suatu pengalaman dengan yang ada expression dan feelingsnya, kalian akan mengatakan I wanna share my feelings. Don't apa? Bukan I wanna share my expression.
Oh ya.
Ngerti kan?
Ya.
Ya.
I will share my expression.
Oke, contoh lagi. Imagine someone receives a surprise gift from a friend. The expression on their face can convey their feelings. If they light up with a smile, their expression communicates happiness, joy, and gratitude. On the other hand, if they furrow their brows and look confused, it might express surprise and curiosity. Seperti ini. Ketika mereka mendapatkan hadiah dari seseorang, mereka akan merasa senang dengan menunjukkan senyum yang lebar. Sebaliknya, jika mereka menurunkan alis mereka dan seperti bingung, itu mereka kebingungan. Oke, di sini ada 20 contoh expression and feelings. Can you guys define this expression with your own language? What is bored? What is bored? Pakai bahasa Inggris. Yeah. Explain it with dictionary.
When you don't know, like you always playing your phone and then you feel that you're tired, so like I just want to put my phone away.
Bored isn't the same as tired.
I mean, like when they feel they're tired,
Okay.
like I always play my phone, and then
Yeah.
after that, when I feel it's too much and I don't know what else I want to do, and I feel tired, I will put away my phone. I don't know.
Okay. Number 2, sad. What is sad? You guys often I'm sad. What is really sad? What sad really is?
Sad.
What's sad?
I'm never sad. I don't know.
Feeling. What is sad actually?
Feeling lost.
Feelings when you
Feeling not good. because
When you don't reach your goal or your dream, or you have lost about something.
It's just that about limited, about a goal or just lost something. If you get hurt by someone that you trust the most.
oh,
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
that what you said?
Yeah, it's also sad.
Okay. Number 3, happy. This is the most easiest. But can you define for me what is happy?
What? Happy?
Happy. Yeah.
Berbunga-bunga. Flower.
Okay, we move to number 4. Disappointed. What is disappointed?
it's
Ya,
not
kecewa.
expected. What we expect.
Which
That's
is
why.
The example?
For example, like we buy something, but the thing is not what we want. Jadi it's what we kita tidak unexpected.
Unexpected things.
Unexpected things.
Disappointed is unexpected things that happen to us.
Yep.
Is that it?
Maybe. Kecewa.
Is that it?
Not really. When you actually you feel that you will get a high score, but suddenly you didn't reach that, you will still feel disappointed.
Kecewa.
Yeah.
Number 5, glad. So what is the difference between happy and glad?
Apa? Sama-sama menunjukkan ekspresi senang.
But what is the difference?
More excited.
No, it's the same.
Gembira.
Ya sama.
Iya.
Apa bedanya?
Ya,
Ada
itu bedanya.
ada sedikit bedanya.
No.
Happy digunakan pada saat apa? Glad digunakan pada saat apa?
Glad when you meet someone,
Ya.
Ya,
and
satu.
then happy when you want to correct something or like.
Oke, ada lagi.
Receive something.
Oh.
Happy.
I don't know. No idea.
Misalnya kalian survive dari kiamat gitu misalnya. Misalnya kalian akan menggunakan happy atau glad?
Glad.
Jadi glad bisa juga digunakan buat
Achievement.
ya bersyukur.
Grateful. Wait, ibu kita.
Coba lagi misalnya kalian sudah lama tidak melihat teman-teman kalian. Kan bisa I'm happy to see you. I'm glad.
I'm glad to.
Ya. Number 6, impress. What impress? What is impress?
Surprise.
Not really. Impress.
Apa ya?
Whoa, this guy is the speaking is really fluent. That's impress. Huh?
Amazing.
Yeah, amazed. What else?
Amazed.
What else? What else?
I don't know. No idea.
You don't know idea? Impress is something that unexpected that happened to us. That
What you see?
pokoknya intinya impress adalah ketika kita melihat sesuatu yang
Tidak kita sangka.
ya tidak kita sangka.
Hopeless.
Hopeless, what is hopeless?
Tak berdaya.
Define.
Like you apa ya? You pasrah. You pasrah.
Pasrah. Frustrated, what is frustrated?
Wah,
Stress.
Stressful.
Stress. What else?
Hopeless.
Disappointed.
Yeah, kinda, but not really.
Crazy.
Yeah, it can be crazy. It can be crazy. So what is the exact meaning of frustrated?
Melelahkan.
Ya, kayak melelahkan lagi.
Depresi.
Okay, 17. Confused. What is confused?
A situation where makes you to choose between something, like for example, when you want to eat food, you have to have lots of choices, and you are thinking which one would you like.
Or
Is that
something
No, like it can be in many situations.
Is if something unique event that happened to you, did you not confuse?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
something
yeah.
we don't understand.
If some tigers walk across the road, did you not confuse?
Something that happened unexpected
Yeah.
things.
Worried. What is worried?
Free. Oh,
Afraid. Not really. I'm worried about you. What is worried?
Care.
Yeah. Do you care? Worried is a word that often used by your parents. I'm worried that you go broke. I'm worried that you run out of money. I'm worried that you haven't had your breakfast. So what is worried?
Feeling untrusted? No, 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 no.
Oh, not trusted.
Apa ya?
Overthinking.
Iya, bisa tadi overthinking.
Overthinking.
Okay. What else? Worried.
Overthinking.
Anything else?
No. I think that's should give.
Iya, mau aja.
Okay. Move. Excited. What is excited? Yeah, happy. What is?
Surprise?
Really
Kinda, but what is really excited?
more happier.
Give you more hype. Yes?
Joy.
Huh? Yes, enthusiasm. So what is the difference between excited and amazed?
Hah?
What is the difference between excited and amazed? What is the difference?
Between
Excited and amazed.
amazed is when you feel like ya
Surprise.
more lebih ke kagum, tapi kalau excited tuh kayak wow, I think I will be like this.
Jadi excited tuh lebih ke personal experiences juga. Ketika kita mendapatkan sebuah hadiah baru, kita akan bisa excited.
Anxious.
Anxious, what is anxious? This is the most used word in Gen Z. What is anxious?
I'm against. No.
What is anxious? If you feel uncomfortable in a situation that you don't want to in that situation. So what is anxious? Cemas, apa lagi? Ya, nervous, apa lagi?
Free. Make free.
Ya, afraid bisa. Apa lagi?
Tidak percaya diri
Scared.
sendiri.
Ya. Jadi anxious adalah ketika kita merasakan uncomfortable terhadap suatu situasi. Oke, kita lanjut.
What do you mean?
Belum. Itu salah. Oke. Kita menggunakan ini. Read the dialogue first.
Answer some question. Get good for job application. Tapi international competition. It's lovely. Modern.
Yes, it's
Modern.
Yes,
definitely.
Yes, I will.
Oke, sudah?
Ya.
Oke. Pertama, kenapa Cindy menelpon papanya?
Hah? Telepon?
Menanyakan mamanya di mana kepada papanya.
She wants to tell something
About?
about she was accepted in international.
Oke. What does Cindy feel about it?
Happy.
Happy and?
Excited.
Yeah, excited. And where did Cindy send the job application?
International company.
Okay.
Get accepted.
Get accepted.
Get accepted.
Okay. Okay. Gue saya dulu. Oke, nomor 1 siapa yang bisa jawab?
Happy.
Oke, happy. Nomor 2?
Disappointed?
Disappointed or worried? Disappointed, worried or crazy?
Disappointed.
Apa kata yang bisa membuat, oh ini jawabannya disappointed.
Couldn't meet your favorite.
Couldn't.
Please don't be disappointed even though you couldn't. Yeah.
Disappointed.
Kalau crazy.
Disappointed.
Not really sih.
Jadi sepakat ya disappointed ya?
Yeah.
Disappointed. Number 3?
Yeah,
Is
excited.
Excited. Not glad or terrific?
No, excited.
Okay. Number 4.
I'm glad to know that you will help me doing my homework. Glad.
Okay. Number 5.
We are truly impressed by your great performance on the stage.
What is the answer?
Impressed.
Oh, you are truly.
What is the keyword? What is the keyword number 5?
Great performance.
Your great performance.
Great performance. Impress mean you see something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The last activities. I want you guys to make a pair and
Okay.
share your experiences of having good or bad memories to your partner. Okay?
Having a good or
Or
bad
bad
memories. What kind of memories?
Misalnya ketika kalian masih kecil, kalian mendapatkan penghargaan apa?
Oke.
gitu.
Iya.
Atau kalian mendapatkan beasiswa atau gimana? Tapi nanti kalian bukan ceritain experience kalian sendiri. Bukan maksudnya kalian ceritain experience-nya kan ke partner. Nanti saya minta salah satu maju di depan untuk menceritakan apa experiences dari partner.
temannya.
Ya.
Oke.
Jadi harus pay attention ke temannya.
Partner.
Vic, kamu Vic. Oke.
What is your experience?
What is your excited
Apa?
You will have another 10 minutes to finish your class.
Oke,
10 more minutes?
10 more minutes.
10 more minutes.
Ayo.
Alright.
Ayo. What do you have or what do you? Yeah. What is your experience?
I'm happy.
Glad. Kalau yang mana? Crazy. Sad. Okay.
Sad. In the last one, I have
confused?
a pet, cat, and the cat is actually died, and I'm so sad and cry sampai aku sakit gara-gara nangisin kucing.
What is the name of your cat?
Oh, ini.
The name of the cat Oci.
Oci.
Yeah. Orange. Cat orange.
Orange cat.
Yeah, cat.
Anything else? Not really friend actually. So
Happy karena
we become
Kenapa?
he always happy
karena Enggak, belum.
Boy or girl?
Oke.
boy or girl like yeah, so I like to make friends when they watch my live and then they text me and then they said can we be friends? I said yes and then I also like sharing like English conversation and then
Maju. Oke. Semuanya mau gini.
Dua.
Hah?
No.
Satu aja.
Ini cerita
dia apa?
Iya, kita
Cerita dia.
Itu dia kan?
Iya. Oke, masuk.
Vicky
Oke, silakan, Vicky.
Oke.
Cinta.
Jangan. Okay, so I start with Miss Patty sih. But Patty, she was glad because she was joined the Kemendikbud and the kind of Kemendikbud that is partner, the partner of Kemendikbud, and she was very glad. Yeah, that's all.
That's all. So it's very clear.
Yeah.
How about you? When you hear Fatty's story, what did you feel about?
I'm glad for her
What? Why did you glad? That's
You
her
have-
experience.
because I'm follow happy.
Oh.
I don't know.
Oke, terima kasih. Ada yang mau lagi?
Cus.
Oh, choose, I'm choose.
Ya, udah, silakan cus. Sekarang
Sandy.
Oke, Mas Hendy juga. Kalau Mas Hendy minimal 15 menit ya.
Ya. So my partner is Gila, and then she choose sad because 1 month ago she lost her beautiful cat. So the color of the cat is orange, and its name is Ochi, and she feels very sad. And I think I don't feel sad, but I know how it feels when we lost a pet actually.
So, you ever have a cat?
No, I don't have a dog.
Oh, you have a dog.
Yeah.
So you really know what it feels to lose a pet.
Yes, especially when your pet was killed by people who is not, yeah, you know, the people that you don't know.
So you two guys are like animals, right?
Yes,
But not every
not the
animals.
same.
Okay, just the pet.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you. Oke, sama lagi ya? Masih belum.
Okay. Alright, my partner is Adif.
Ya.
Yeah, same like Sandy. He lost his pet
Oke.
named Milo.
Milo. Chocolate.
He lost at when was October. On October last month, and I feel like I feel bad for him because I know that he really loves his pet,
Okay.
and I also have my cat in my.
Do you have experience like Adif?
Yes, I have heard in when I was child. I have lost my cat also.
So you can give your empathy to Adif?
Yes.
Adif, did you describe your pet appearance to Mas Ibu?
It's just a small cat.
The small cat is
Small cat.
2 months old.
Oh, so it's really young, right? Thank you. Oke, terakhir Mbak. Ya, Mbak itu.
Anis, Mbak Anis.
Oh ya, Mbak Anis. Oke.
So my partner is Saminia. She was lost her motorcycle.
Oh.
It happened
Yeah.
6 months ago, and she said that she feels sad and frustrated. Where's my motorcycle? Where's the rug? The thief ran it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So her motorcycle is being robbed.
Yes.
At where?
In her boarding house.
Oh, didn't her give a chronology why it can be robbed?
She has an CCTV.
Yes.
CCTV. And the thief take her motorcycle and also her house.
Okay. But it's locked. Why the thief can?
I don't know how the way the thief think and how they do
They're smart.
to rob it.
Very good.
And I don't know.
Didn't her tell you?
No, but I know the early to go.
Okay, so eventually did the motorcycle back to her or not?
No.
Because it's too happy.
So you just let it go? So you just let it go?
Yeah.
Don't you report to the police or some?
Yes, but police ignore me.
Oh, very sad. Okay, thank you, Mbak. Okay. Okay, after this meeting, what can you learn today?
How to express
How to show great expression.
The differences between expression and feeling.
Okay, two.
How we share our feelings.
Apa?
How we share our feelings.
Okay, how we share our feelings. Ada lagi yang paling penting?
Apa tuh?
Ada yang tahu?
Tidak.
Apa tuh touch?
Tak ada yang tahu?
No.
Oke, yang paling penting adalah ketika kita mendengarkan seseorang share expression dan feelingnya, itu sangat berarti buat mereka karena artinya mereka percaya pada kita untuk nge-share feelings dan expressionnya.
That's right.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for today. I'm sorry, I have one mistake. I have you guys healthy until your life die. Until you die. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ibu guru masuk.
Sudi.
Ibu guru. Ibu guru. Ibu guru. Ibu guru yang sudah tertunda. Wah ini sih.
Very deep. Sudi. Sudi.
So,
Dipa.
ini nih. Iya sudah. Baru itu. Oh, boleh dibawa pulang besok.
Wow.
Guru udah panas.